Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela Meghalaya, Conrad ke Sangma, ulai kendu Chairman ke Coal India Limited Hakol kata, ban Iakren kumno ban kit Dewiong Bala dapsai badang don salai pu arlak metric ton hapo ke Jela. Hadin bagi yang bisyar ke bahakli du jongkeri India kelasya ban le ekene. Haba Iakren sikilat pathai kubor, Maria poi hakakat lingsung umroy, ulai tu ba kane ke jing Iakren kila poi sekejing su tu jengmut. Kumno ban kit Dewiong badang sa, namar ba ke Coal India Limited kam don office tray kam ke bebiang hakane ke Jela Meghalaya, kila yarai bandon ke jing trailang bat ke sorkar Jela, kumno ban la ban le ekene. Hak bakin dang yai beteng ya ke jing Iakren halor kene ke kam. Ke jing Iakren ki badang hab ban penbej, kalong ban le jureb Dewiong badang sa sikijaka, bat hadin kata on say penbej hakano kom ban le da ke jing trailang habdang ke Coal India Limited bat ke sorkar Jela.
Today we had a meeting along with honorable MLAs and officials from the mining department and other departments of government of Meghalaya, along with the Coal India, the chairman and other officials. The discussion basically revolved around the Supreme Court ruling that took place and the fact that Coal India has been authorized in one way to dispose or to sell the coal stock that is lying. So therefore the logistics and how to implement it and how to take it further, these matters were discussed along with chairman and other officials of Coal India, and the response was very positive. We had a very productive meeting, and what are the areas where the government of Meghalaya should be working on and what are the areas Coal India should be working on, all those were defined. And I'm very hopeful and very positive that we'll be able to take forward this particular issue, and we'll be able to find a way on how we can dispose of the coal that is lying in a most efficient and effective manner.